miss it. Try to take my bitch away, I'll shoot you in the back. Wish your face was in the spot that I done pissed in. I'm so fucking tired of these niggas acting lazy when they rob me. Got no time, bitch, fix it. Niggas thought I left, but I ain't finished. First they saw me, now they want me. Yo bitch told me that these hoes only do it for the money. On my mommy, and they bum me. I can't lie though, feeling all this tension when I walk inside the